I Saw Three Ships is one of my favorite Christmas carols. It's also one of the easiest Christmas carols to learn. Playing the open strings for I Saw Three Ships is very easy because you only need the G and the D strings. Those are the two middle strings. If you have trouble remembering the names of the strings, I like to use Awesome, Dogs, Go, Camping. So we'll need those middle two strings, the G and the D strings. If you put your thumb on the fingerboard and put your index finger out, this is the second string from your thumb, that's the G string, and then one string further away from your thumb than that is the D string. There are 4 lines to I Saw Three Ships. We're going to learn this one line at a time. The first line goes G, D, G, D, just back and forth between the G and D strings. Let's play G, D, G, D together. G, D, G, D. All right, that's the first line. Now the second line goes G, G, D, D. So 2 G's and then 2 D's in a row. Play that with me. G, G, D, D. All right, to put those first 2 lines together, we have G, D, G, D, and then G, G, D, D. Play that with me. G, D, G, D, G, G, D, D. Very nice. I recommend you practice those 2 lines together and practice that enough that you know them really well because the last 2 lines are very similar. All right, the third line to I Saw Three Ships is the same as the first line, G, D, G, D. The final line is similar except the last note. We have 2 G's, and then we have a D, and then we have another G. So rather than the third line, we had 2 G's and then 2 D's, we have G, G, D, G. Let's play that together. G, G, D, G. All right, let's put the whole song all together, all 4 lines. Now that we know how to play the pitches, we need to talk about the lyrics. The lyrics go, I saw 3 ships come sailing in on Christmas Day, on Christmas Day. I saw 3 ships come sailing in on Christmas Day in the morning. Here's how the melody goes. I saw 3 ships come sailing in on Christmas Day, on Christmas Day. I saw 3 ships come sailing in on Christmas Day in the morning. Now once you have those lyrics memorized and you can sing it easily, we can put the 2 together. Sing and play together. I saw 3 ships come sailing in on Christmas Day, on Christmas Day. I saw 3 ships come sailing in on Christmas Day in the morning. All right, that's how you play I Saw 3 Ships on the open strings. If you would like the sheet music to that, head on over to patreon.com/samscellostudio for a free PDF. You can also buy the sheet music to the bass line and melody to this song, as well as 24 other Christmas carols there, as well as find videos on how to play the bass line and melodies to this song. If you're interested in live or asynchronous lessons, head on over to samscellostudio.com. Remember to like and subscribe and leave a comment below if you're having any trouble with this or would like any help. Thank you. Happy practicing.